Hello sir, my name is Rojel Jalin and Elon. My matrix number 2022464674. I'm from class 8022A. So in this topic, we will talk about bagworms or known as Metisa plana treatment. Firstly, we should know about the bagworm morphology. So what is bagworm? Bagworm is fall under the family of Cicadae. There are three types of bagworm in Malaysia. The first one is Mahasena corbeti, the second one Metisa plana, and the third one is Pteroma pendula. The common name bagworms applies to cycads because the larvae live in portable cases constructed from silk, plastered with debris or symmetrically arranged pieces of host plant. Bagworm feeds on lichens, grasses, conifer foliage, or leaves of angiosperm trees and shrubs, sometimes as specialists but often as generalists. So in this topic, we will go further about bagworm in oil palm plantation. So the first one, we should know about the introduction, which is before we do the any treatment, we should know about what is IPM and the threshold level. So IPM is an environment-friendly and cost-effective pest management system that utilizes suitable technique and methods in a compatible manner to maintain the pest population at level below those economic injury and crop losses. Whether the threshold level is the population of level of pests which causes economic loss or reduction in yield. If the population is below the threshold level, there is no need to apply control since there is no economic loss in yield. If the population of pests is above the threshold level, control must be applied. So what is pest control? There are 4 steps in pest control, which is we should know the damage symptom. The second one is we should know identify the pest. The third one is we should learn and know about the biological characteristic or life cycle of pests. And the last one, we should apply the prevention or any control measure. In this picture, we can see a census program. We should do it as soon as possible when detected and census 5% of affected section, which is, as example, we should have a census on 5% in one area, which is one block. Okay, and secondly, we select and cut the upper front, most damaged front. We count the number of larvae and pupae on both sides of the sample front. This process called census. As we know, treatment of the bagworm are divided into 2, which is for young mature palm, 1 to 6 years we do spraying, and in the other hand, we treatment on mature palm or prime mature, including tall mature palm, which is 6 years and above. We do trunk injection. First one, we will go into the spraying. As we can see in the picture, they are spraying using a mist blower. Spray to wet 0.005 cypermethrin on the infested canopy. As example, we use Cyper X 5.5%, which is 10 ml in per 10 liter mist blower. We should repeat the treatment at 2 weeks interval until larvae, which is alive, below its threshold level. So that means, what means by 2 weeks interval? 2 weeks interval, which means it divided into 2 times in a month, which is every after 15 days. We prefer using mist blower to give enough energy for the pesticide to reach the upper front. Second one, we will go to the treatment on mature palm tree, which is 6 years and above. In this topic, we will use trunk injection. We can use many pesticide, which is trunk injection using methomidops or multifos 60 undiluted or monocortophos azorin undiluted and acephate 97% Wg adenis diluted. The step is we will hold the drill at 45% degree on the lower trunk at 80 cm from the ground, which is in diameter of 1.25 centimeters. So as we can see on the right side is the table. In the table, we can see the pump height, which is 1.5 until 3 meters. We will use only one hose. With each chemical hose, we will use 6 milliliter of pesticides. And the palm tree with height more than 3 meters, we will make two holes, which each holes we will use 10 milliliters. So this is the flow of drown injection treatment. So as we can see in the photo 1.c, there are 3 workers in one team. The 2% which is using blue apron, will conduct a pesticide treatment, and the one that using a yellow apron will do an inspection. As we know, pesticide is a hazardous material. In photo 2.c, we will use adenis 1 kg diluted in 1 liter water, and final solution will be range of 1.8 until 2 liter. Most of the company are preferred using diluted pesticide because it can cover more palm trees. So the next one is we will see the photo 3.c, which is we will drill the hole at 80 centimeter height with the depth of 15 centimeter each. In the next one, we will inject chemical at 10 milliliter using injector, and we will plug the hole using the clay immediately. The last stage is we will carry out census at 1%, which is 1 row in 10, or known as 1 palm in 10, at 10 days interval during treatment period. We will repeat the same, which is we will take the front of each census palm is to be taken down from the middle crown. As we can see in the picture, there are the pictures of a pest that dead and above the soil. That's all from me. Thank you.